Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the ASI. This is their part number 7314-H. Single toilet tissue dispenser and a hooded model. Satin finish, stainless steel. Nice quality item, heavy, gives you the impression that it's durable, weighs about 0.93 pounds, speaking of the weight. Toilet paper placed on this bale type holder, has unrestricted feed. Its design allows for easy replacement by maintenance or even guests. All exposed surfaces have a satin finish. Paper bar is reversible to change the handing. That's it. So there's a set screw down in the center here at the tip of my finger, which is what you'll loosen to simply pull that area, pull that bar out, switch it around. The hood will come out and be put on the other side. Now, there is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet, and let's go over that now. The cut sheet will give you all of the dimensional properties, and let's review them. Overall width of the hood, they have it 4 5/8. That is indeed the case. They have a diameter of the they don't show a diameter of the base. The diameter of the base is about 1 7/8, I'd say. Okay. It's going to have a projection from the wall to the center line of the holder at 2 3/16. So that's spot on. This is from their Omera collection. It's a single roll toilet paper made of type 304 satin stainless steel, 18/8 type stainless. And actually, the stainless steel from ASI is something that they're quite proud of. ASI will tell you that they use a higher grade stainless steel than certain other manufacturers. That's a hallmark of theirs, and they believe, and I don't disagree with them, that it's a reason why you would want to consider ASI as your source for commercial bathroom products. Looking through the balance of the specification paragraph, it states that the roll holder bale is retained on the post with a concealed screw, which is here. The post, the hood is captive on the bale. The post is 22 gauge tubing with an 18 gauge threaded bracket. Okay. There is a wall plate that's here through the set screw that you may have noticed down here, and I will quickly remove that, moving on as I do this. Once you get that set screw loosened to the point, you can loosen that up. That wall plate will come out. You'll attach the wall plate, obviously, to the wall with the flanges pointed towards the outside. A couple of screws are actually going to be included with plastic anchors, and then the Allen wrench that you'll need to handle both aspects of reversing the bale should you need, and then loosening the set screw that's down here. So the plate goes on the wall. This will seat right over the plate. It will look like that when it's done. And of course you're going to tighten that set screw that's there. The next catalog that's on the cut sheet is the installation, which talks about the 2 screws. Most importantly, it talks about being compliant with ADA requirements. Compliance with Americans with Disability Act will put you the holder between 19-inch minimum above the finished floor to the top of the holder to 48-inch. Maximum above the floor is 48-inch. And center line of the post between 7-inch and 9-inch from the front of the commode. Recommended general mounting height is 32-inch above the finished floor. So 32-inch from the floor, from the front of the commode, 7 to 9-inch would be the handicap compliant location. One roll of toilet paper is placed on the bale, ready immediately, and the feed is unrestricted. So they've said that twice now, that it's unrestricted, meaning it's not controlled, meaning you can take that toilet paper and simply just pull it off. They're saying that twice because they want to be sure that if you have an application where perhaps a controlled feed is more appropriate, where you expect that someone will, or that the toilet paper will be vandalized, will be stolen, things of that nature, they're saying this is not controlled. You'll be able to remove this altogether without any special tool or knowledge. So you're going to install this somewhere where you don't expect any vandalism of such a state. Motel rooms is really where you're going to see something like this. And I've seen these installed in hotel rooms, and they seem to be installed in higher-end hotels. They are very simple in their design and construction, yet they're easy, and they're decorative's not the right word, but they're elegant looking, as far as I'm concerned. They're elegant looking. The only thing that I notice is the back of the hood makes contact with that bale, and over time it will give you a mark on the back side of the hood. No one ever sees it, so I don't really think that's an issue. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the ASI products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, which is very handy. A couple of other things to draw your attention to there. First of all, ASI's Never Out catalog. Those items that they have in stock all the time, and they ship very quickly. They state 48 hours, 24 hours. They ship something basically the next day. We have all of those items listed in our website as Never Out sort of quick ship items. Then there's a link to the ADA standards for accessible design. If you have questions regarding where to locate grab bars, mirrors, all of the elements that would be in a public restroom that must be compliant with ADA guidelines, mandate is listed there. So interesting encyclopedic sort of reference material that applies to everyone. It's not a local code, it's a federal code. If you have any questions on the ASI number 7314-H, this is a hooded single roll toilet tissue holder, or any other ASI product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.